Today we're sharing our experience with the Broan-NuTone 688E bathroom exhaust fan. If you're looking for an affordable, energy-efficient way to replace or upgrade your bathroom fan, this might be worth considering. Installing the 688E was straightforward. We replaced an older Broan fan, and one of the things we appreciated most was being able to reuse the existing mounting bracket and housing. This saved us time and effort. No need to cut into the ceiling or struggle with new hardware. Once installed, we noticed the fan operates as quietly as advertised, at just 2 zones. It's quiet enough that it doesn't disturb the household, but powerful enough to keep our bathroom moisture free, with 50 CSM of airflow, perfect for smaller bathrooms. We also love that it's Energy Star certified, meaning it's designed to use less energy over time. That's a nice bonus for anyone trying to lower their utility bills. If we had to mention one thing, this model is designed for bathrooms up to 45 square feet. So if you have a larger space, you might want to consider a higher CFM model. Overall, we're happy with the Broan-NuTone 688E. It's reliable, easy to install, and does the job well. If you need a dependable bathroom exhaust fan and don't want the hassle of a complicated installation, this is a solid choice.